Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the iiyama 28-inch 4K XUB2893UHSU monitor. So friend, iiyama introduces a stylish 28-inch edge to edge design monitor, perfect for multi-monitor configuration, suited for office to home office. And friend, this model comes with 4K resolution displays, 4 times more information than a full HD monitor. And friend, this allows the user plenty of screen space for multitasking while delivering sharpness of content. And friend, IPS panel technology offers wide viewing angles, making it easy for multiple viewers to collaborate with co-workers and clients. And friend, it also offers accurate and consistent color reproduction, making it especially suited for content creators, graphic design, photo and video editors, creatives and other professionals who work visually intensive process which details matter. And friend, providing 100% sRGB coverage and extensive hue saturation adjustment capabilities guarantees perfect color calibration. And friend, for speed and ease of use, this monitor features a 4-port USB hub offering 1 USB upstream and 4 downstream ports, so user can connect their keyboard and mouse to the monitor. And friend, the USB port also support fast charge, allowing user to charge their compatibility smartphone. And friend, digital HDMI and DisplayPort include, coupled with high contrast and brightness volume. And friend, this monitor also incorporates an ergonomic stand with height adjustment, tilt, swivel and pivot to support ergonomic comfort and versatility. And friend, flicker-free and blue light reduction technology reduce the strain and fatigue to the user eyes, ensuring the best well-being possible to the high usage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.